The Fame Kurrajong, Propagation acarifolius, with its vibrant foliage and striking appearance, is a captivating addition to any indoor space. Originating from Australia, this ornamental tree, also known as the Illawarra flame tree, thrives in warmer climates but can be successfully grown indoors with proper care. Its maple-like leaves and brilliant red flowers make it a prized choice for indoor plant enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essential steps to successfully grow and care for the Fame Kurrajong indoors. Understanding the Fame Kurrajong. Before diving into care instructions, understanding the basic characteristics of the Fame Kurrajong is crucial. This deciduous tree typically reaches heights of 30 to 50 feet in its natural habitat, but can be maintained at a manageable size indoors. Its distinctive lobed leaves resemble those of the maple tree, while its fiery red bell-shaped flowers bloom in clusters, creating a stunning visual display. Ideal growing conditions. Providing the optimal environment is essential for the Fame Kurrajong's health and growth indoors. These trees thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Place them near a south or west-facing window where they can receive ample sunlight without direct exposure that might scorch their leaves. Ensure the indoor temperature remains between 65 F to 80 F 18 C to 27 C during the day and doesn't drop below 50 F 10 C at night. Potting and soil. Select a well-draining potting mix that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. A mix formulated for tropical plants or a blend of potting soil, peat moss, and perlite works well. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Watering and humidity. Maintain moderate moisture levels in the soil without allowing it to become soggy. Water the Fame Kurrajong when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Adjust watering frequency based on environmental conditions. During warmer months, it may require more frequent watering. Additionally, misting the leaves occasionally can help create the humidity levels these trees prefer. Fertilization and pruning. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Fame Kurrajong with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4-6 weeks to support healthy growth. Pruning should be minimal indoors, focusing on removing dead or damaged branches and occasional shaping to maintain its size and form. Dealing with pests and diseases. Fame Kurrajongs are generally resilient against pests and diseases when grown indoors. However, occasional pests like aphids or scale insects might appear. Inspect the leaves regularly and treat any infestations promptly with natural or chemical solutions recommended for indoor plants. Winter care. As a deciduous tree, the Fame Kurrajong may shed its leaves in the winter, signaling its dormant period. During this time, reduce watering and avoid fertilizing until new growth resumes in the spring. Cultivating a Fame Kurrajong indoors can bring a touch of tropical beauty and vibrant colors to your living space. By providing the right growing conditions, adequate light, proper watering, occasional fertilization, and vigilant care against pests and diseases, you can enjoy the stunning foliage and fiery blooms of this captivating tree within the comfort of your home. With patience and dedication, your Fame Kurrajong can flourish, becoming a centerpiece of natural beauty in your indoor garden.